have my main big old camera sitting in the back, wrapped in blankets. And I'm heading out on another adventure. Yeah! My adventure will lead me to Livonia, Michigan for ProCam. Time Blaster Toys is also there, so that might be another thing. Plus, I have to stop at Ikea. Why? I don't know, because it's Ikea. No, I gotta get some of these Swedish meatballs for the 70s party that we're having in like 5 days from now, 4 days from now. So yeah, that is my day. Are you gonna hang out? That's like a full episode right there. Are you kidding me? ProCam photo and video gear. Very nice. Here we are again. I haven't been here in a long time.
Or something that's probably your ideal size of what you have. And $200 off for a used one, I assume.
Brandon, that's me. Alrighty. Got some stuff done. Bought a tripod. Cool. Last time I was here, I traded in a bunch of VHS tapes, and here we are. Time Blaster Toys. Hell yeah. Alright, let's buy everything. Cool shit. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on, dude?
Look at that big old piece of butter up there. That's nice. I want that in my life. Uh-oh. I do collect these. These are cool. Huh. This looks like the space I would find stuff. They got Simpson shit everywhere. Not enough Family Guy things. I need them to have Family Guy ones. Oh, wow. And of course, the other thing that I collect are these. I have all of these, all of them, all of them, all of them, all of them, all of them. These are in good shape, though. And I always have the ones in the case. They're probably worth more than your house. I don't not want that Andre the Giant up there. Run away! Cool. Can't lie, I would buy a Chuck E. Cheese head. I'm sure it's not for sale, but I would buy that. I think I just got these Bill and Ted guys. I don't know if I'd buy cherry. It's a little big. Doesn't look that comfortable. How would they let people sit in this? It's comfy. Cherry is comfy. I feel like I have to perform.
It's Billy Baloney.
Thank you. Goodness. Ikea. Anybody want anything from Ikea? Just let me know now. Otherwise, you get nothing. I haven't been to an Ikea in a long time. Good chance to get some steps in, eat some balls. If you've never eaten at Ikea before, it's pretty damn good, actually.
$10.50.
$10.50. What a bargain. I wonder if they sell these. I'm sure they do. Everything's for sale at Ikea. It's plastic trees, but I kind of love these things, these little plant walls. I have to find those as we're walking around aimlessly. All right, I gotta put a ball in my mouth. Okay, I haven't had these in so long. They're really good. Very good. And I'm getting those for the 70s party because Swedish meatballs, baby, groovy. Ooh, mashed potatoes. I haven't had potatoes in general in a long time. I go back on the diet, literally, whenever the party's over. And I'll be on that diet for 2 solid weeks. It's like hardcore, everything about it. Follow the arrows. Follow the arrows until you're there. Where? I don't know. Over there. Whoa, these things roll weird. What a weird haul. I haven't grabbed my meatballs yet. I gotta grab my balls at the very end. It's always good to grab your balls at the end, not when you first get there, because you don't want your balls getting too warm, and you don't want a lot of people seeing you grab your balls. So just grab them before you leave. My balls are over here waiting for me. I got a lot of meatballs. Hey, it's a spicy meatball. Oh God, it's freezing outside. Why did it get cold out here? It smells like a skunk's asshole out here. Ugh. Somebody's like, I gotta get high before I go to Ikea. I gotta get high. I can't. Oh, these carts suck. Lay off the weed, people. You don't need it. You're dumb enough. So now I'm taking my mom to the emergency room because she's been sick for like 4 days and hot flashes and freezing and sweating and shivering. And I'm like, will you just go to the emergency room? And here we are again. So after getting the good news about the thyroid, I thought for a day we could have, you know, no worries.
Just no. Okay. Any headache? I had a really bad headache.
All right, we're home. No explanations for anything. They shot her full of crap, and she's in her room, and this is why I'm here. Some stupid asshole said, oh yeah, you're 50 years old and you live with your mom. Yeah, I do. This is why. Not you, to the person that said that. I'd be on the road full time. I would be. I'd be filming full time around the country nonstop, filming and editing, traveling, adventuring. I'd be around the world at this point. And now I'm sitting here like going, I gotta be away for 3 weeks to film a movie. And I don't even know how that's gonna happen. If I wasn't here for this would be bad. She wouldn't have gone to the ER. She probably would have passed out in her room. Hair is looking on point. And today I'm feeling a little chicken. I feel like smoking too. I feel like smoking some chicken. Boom. Hey, look, a van. I miss you, van. I miss you so much. Hell yes. Thighs, boobies. I said I brine this for 2 days. I'm sick of dry ass. Is that cooked? Yeah, it's smoked. Smoked cooked. Sick of dry ass chicken. Still a little dry. I don't know how to make it not dry. I cooked it perfectly to what they said to cook it. But the flavor, oh man. Chicken breasts are difficult. Really dry. Not really dry. Just dry. It's kind of pissing me off. I couldn't find any chicken with the skin on. And like just a big piece of chicken with the bone and everything. That's really what I should have been. This is really good. Like probably the best chicken I've ever cooked. As far as the flavor goes. Just dry. All right, I gotta find a pharmacy in this place. Oh, I hate medications. I'm glad they exist, but at the same time, they scare the shit out of me. Okay, picked up the mom's meds. Dropped off my old Apple iPhone. Now I gotta get some gas. So where's all the stickers that say I did that and all that shit? I think I did see one sticker one time that says I ran gas prices up. I'm so sick of this shit, man. These greedy ass billionaires. Yeah, there is no way in heck that this little tiny roller skate of a car should cost $52 to fill up. And it's not filled up, it's just barely there. That's insanity. Insanity. Usually takes about half that, to be honest with you. But, you know, what can you do? Until we get angry enough to act and do something, there will be nothing done.